Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and pick languages. And here we've got the list of all languages which are, I wouldn't say currently applied to the device. However, this is like a shortcut of the full list of languages, and here we will have the languages which are commonly used by us. So let's tap on Add a Language. Here we've got, of course, the full list, and simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Greek. Let's tap and pick the region. And as you can see, the Greek language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So here we have to reorder the languages and set the Greek on the first position. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. Again, we've got English. Of course, you can add a lot of languages here. It's up to you. And you can also remove them. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Mark the language, just by tapping on it, of course, and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on Remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.